Hello everyone! Did you know that there are natural ingredients that can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks and scars? In today's video, I'm going to make whipped cream butter using one of these ingredients. If you want to find out which ingredient it is, then come along with me. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. Leave your like and comment, hit the notification bell and share this video and seize every opportunity to live a more natural life. To start, I have already measured out here the shea butter, which is a soft and easy to whip without heating. This butter is rich in fatty acids and vitamins, including vitamin A and vitamin E. It forms a thin, protective layer over the skin, retaining moisture and keeping the skin soft and hydrated. It is ideal for sensitive and dry skin. Next, I'll be adding sweet almond oil, which works to soften, soothe, and enhance the skin's natural elasticity. This oil is especially beneficial for delicate and irritated skin. I will add half of the oil and stir until it blends into the butter. At this stage I am using a whisk, but I actually recommend a spatula or a spoon instead. They'll be more efficient and prevent the butter from getting stuck in a solid block inside the whisk. If you prefer, you can also use infused oils. If you haven't seen the video on how to make your own macerated oil yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. As I continue to gradually add more oil, the butter is becoming much easier to handle. Next, I will add the coconut oil, a natural ingredient known for its antibacterial properties that will help keep your skin soft and protected. I'm going to mix thoroughly after adding each ingredient. This helps break down the butter lumps right away, so you can see step by step how our homemade whipped cream is turning out. And our star of the day is Pracaxi oil, a native botanical oil from South America. Just like coconut oil, it is a semi-solid ingredient, packed with the benefits of fatty acids such as behenic acid and linoleic acid that work together to deep nourish and helping to illuminate and even out the skin tone. Recent studies show that this oil not only deeply nourishes the skin, but also improves the appearance of stretch marks and scars. Next, I'll use 4 essential oils, but you can use whichever essential oils you prefer. If you'd rather not to use any at all, that's entirely up to you. Here I'm using lavandine essential oil, which is calming, relaxing, and great for sensitive skin. Grapefruit essential oil, which is revitalizing and has a toning effect. Also frankincense, which contributes to a youthful appearance. And the German chamomile oil, with its deep blue color, is known for its calming properties that help to soothe and comfort the skin. After thoroughly mixing all these ingredients together, I will then begin to whip the mixture for approximately 5 minutes, until it reaches a perfectly smooth and soft consistency. And finally, I will add a tablespoon of arrowroot powder. Arrowroot will help to absorb the excess oil, leaving a drier and silkier feel on the skin. I will leave all the ingredient amounts I used in this recipe in the description below. After mixing well, let's put this into the chosen container. To use, apply just a small amount, ideally after your shower while your skin is still slightly damp, so it can spread more smoothly across your skin. And how about you? What other vegetable oil would you use in this recipe? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when a new video comes out. Leave your comment below and see you in the next video.